The CD Spark is ready for a redesign. It's gotten a little dim. It's gotten a little stale. The trick still sells, don't get me wrong, but Spark is due for a redesign. Spark will remain in Polytech. It will still remain in plastic. It's not going to go to fiberglass. It's not going to go to CM Tech. It's not going to go to anything else. It's going to be that. It will still likely retain the Ace 900. Almost certain you're going to see the 60 be phased out. I think the 60 is already phased out. I think they already phased out the 60. You just get a 90. But you will likely see either a tuned 100 or 110 horse Ace engine. I feel it's very unlikely that we're going to see a 1630 Ace with 130 horsepower. That was the horsepower that they said they had on the test lake was 130 horse. And they said 170 was dangerous. It was a 64 mile an hour Spark with a very large man, Martin Lachance, on it. And they said people will die. we can't trust the public with 170 horse. They're like, and frankly, we're on the fence about 130 horse. Now, will that engine being naturally aspirated allows it to run on 87 octane. A turbo would require super, require 91 or 93. And the turbo was going to have more heat, more plumbing, more things to be fixed, and, more reasons to take the top deck off. They didn't want that. They wanted to keep it simple. That's the best. That is the beauty of the Spark, is that it is a simple machine. Yeah, Warhead's interesting. If a Spark X can go 60, I'd buy one over a GP 1800 SVHO. That's pretty funny. That's interesting. Well, again, a Spark it's a rowdy throwback to the HX. And if they finally gave the Spark the legs that people wanted, because think about it. If you got a 130, you call up Riva tomorrow and be like, hey, I need to reflash this to 170. Done. We got it. I mean, that's done through buds. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, well, what's your stage 1 tune? Well, our stage 1 tune is 190 horse with an air filter. Oh, 190 horsepower Spark. Yeah, you're going to want to wear a neck brace. That's pretty funny. So, Spark is the giant boulder from Raiders of the Lost Ark just rolling towards us. That's the one that needs to happen. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.